Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Mastery Series. Today we will look at our main topic, that is to customize the SLA. In our previous video, that is episode number 25th video, we have looked at how to create the impact, like how to add the configure choices in the impact and urgency, and according to the impact and urgency, how do we create the priority. So we go to the data lookup table, and into that we have choose a very critical impact and a very critical urgency, and like by choosing that impact and urgency, priority automatically get changed. So once again I am showing you. So like this impact, we have configured this for very critical point choices, and the urgency also for very critical. And when we choose the impact and urgency, so the automatically priority get changed. So we have configured it. So just check it out, how we have configured the impact and urgency, and how we have configured the priority also, automatically configured the priority by using the data lookup table. Now we'll go to the SLA definitions. This is the last video on the SLA definition. So I hope you are with me, and you are keep on practicing your all the topics. So what we will do, we will just click on the create new on the top right corner, and we'll put the name as very critical SLA, right? So very critical SLA, we have kept the name it as and in the type we'll choose a SLA, right? Yes, so now we will choose the type as the SLA. Under the target, I'll choose as a resolution. Then in the table as the incident, and the flow, I keep it as it is a default SLA flow, and I keep on like checking the active checkbox button. And the application is global duration type is the user specified duration, and the duration. So for the P1, that is very much a critical incident. The time resolution time is 60 minutes, right? And like we will keep the very critical duration time as a 30 minutes. So I will mark it as 30 minute duration time. Then the schedule sources SLA definition. If I choose no schedule, so SLA will run it 24 into 7. First I will like show you as when I choose the no schedule option, so SLA will run 24 into 7. Next are these conditions which you have to fill. So first is the start condition. Start condition, when do you want to start? When the impact is very critical, and urgency is very critical, and uh, active is true, right? We want incident to be in the active stage. Active is true, impact is very critical, urgency is very critical, then only the priority is very critical. Either you choose the impact and urgency as a start condition, or simply you can choose the priority condition also, right? And the retractor starter, if I just click on it, set a start to. So when do you want to start the retroactive starter? Retroactive starter, as you know, I have also discussed this retroactive start topic in our previous video, that if you want another, if you have a downgrade the priority, or if you have upgraded the priority, so the time elapsed in the previous SLA, the new SLA will start the time after subtracting the previous SLA timing, right? So if you want to choose it, and there is an option set a start to. So when do you want actual end, actual start date, opened, resolve, or updated? So I think opened, you can just configure it to set start to open. But right now I'm also choosing this retroactive starter. When to cancel? When to cancel is start conditions are not met, then cancel this SLA. Next is the pause condition. Pause conditions, when to pause it? When state is on hold, right? and on hold reason. And I also want one reason of on hold. That is the on hold reason is awaiting change. Then I want this SLA to get it paused. When to resume? When the pause conditions are not met, right? And when to stop? Stop conditions means when the state is resolved, or you can choose and like, or the state is closed, right? When the state is resolved or the state is closed, in either of these two state conditions, stop the SLA, right? And then you will just click on submit. So as you can see here, your SLA is a very critical SLA, and when you just go on the incident, right? Click on the incident, create new incident, which is of the impact and urgency, very, very critical. When you choose the impact and urgency, very, very critical, and choose a caller name. Like SLA, I choose it. Critical issue. I write down in short description. Then I just simply save it. Right click on the header and save it. When you just click on it, so now our main motive is to see that with this incident 24, which is very, very critical incident, our SLA, which we have customized our SLA. So with this incident, our SLA get attached or not. So we'll just scroll it down, and as you can see, with critical SLA resolution in progress, 29 minutes 2 seconds is elapsed. Our SLA, this timing is also showing as a percentage, so our SLA get attached, right? And if you want to show the breach timing, so you can also able to see it in this show SLA timeline, and all the things are available here, like task change values, incident number, knowledge, then priority. All of this is available in the show SLA timeline. And when to breach, so breach time estimated is also shown here, right? Then so in this way you can customize it. One more thing which I want you to understand is, again we go to the SLA definition, and I'll just click on the very critical SLA, which we have configured it earlier 2 minutes back. Now there is no schedule, right? So this SLA will run 24/7. But if I just choose the SLA definition as a schedule source, and in the schedule there are so many options. When you just click on the filter, right, this lookup using list, when you just click on it, so there are so many options like 24/7, third Saturday maintenance, 8/5 weekdays, America's APAC application. There are so many, and you can also configure it according to um, your client schedule, right? So if I just choose the 8/5 weekdays, so then it means 8 hours per day and 5 days in a week this SLA will start. And all the conditions like start, stop, pause condition, I will remain it as it is, right? And I will just save it. Right click on the header and save it. And I just save it. Yeah. When I just save it, so you can also click on the show schedule, validate the SLA definition. When I click on the show schedule, it's opening. What does it mean? View this SLA definition schedule in the new window tab. So it will open in the new window tab. Validate the SLA definition is also there. And so this show schedule will open into the new tab, and it will show the calendar schedule. And one more thing, if you just click on the schedule in 8/5 weekdays, and on this review this record and open this record, So then you can see more information as like name is there, a time zone is the floating, and according to your customer preference time, you can just choose a time also. Um and next is the application. Then comes schedule entries Monday to Friday, 8 is to 5, weekly on weekdays, repeat every one. All this is configured. You can also configure according to the customer needs. Then is the child schedules. So what do you mean by child schedules? For example, means like you have you got the incident on Friday, right? And Saturday, Sunday. So Friday, whatever the time you got the incident, but on the weekend, that is on the Saturday and Sunday, the SLA get pause, right? But on Monday there is a holiday. So how you just stop that SLA? On every Monday on public holiday, there is some of the public holiday. So how do you schedule it accordingly? The SLA will get scheduled when you just click on the child schedule. So any of the public holiday or Christmas holiday or a New Year or any of the holidays which you want to add into 8 is to 5 weekday schedule, so you can click on the child schedules and you can click on edit. Then you can see so many options are given in the slush bucket, that is 24 into 7 Americas. And if I choose see US holidays are also there, right? Service desk, territory, software blackout, weekends, working hours. So if I just choose a US holidays and I just click on save, then whatever the US holidays list will be, it will see, you'll come to the schedule entries and Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, Columbus Day, Labor Day, all these are the US holiday list. You can also make it as a new holiday list as well, right? So you have to come to child schedules and you can also configure it. So I just add the US holidays list and I just click on update, right? And when I go to incident again and create new incident, which is very critical. Okay, this time I choose Abraham Lincoln, very critical issue, right? And the impact is very critical, urgency also, and the according to it the priority gets changed. I just click on save, click on header and click on save. Then you can see very critical, 30 seconds. All this is and if I click on the show SLA timeline, so it's a 8 is to 5 weekdays, right? So you can see this green line, task update with the stage changes, and if I just move to the left, then it is visible, right? Breach time estimated. So it's the SLA is configured is according to the 8 is to 5 weekdays, right? So now I think you have the idea how to configure the SLA according to the customer needs. And like this only, you can also configure for type SOLA and the underpinning contractor, you know of both of it, that what is SLA and what is underpinning contractor. And you can also configure likewise this only for the response. So if I choose the target as response, so you know that the response time, in between the response time, we have to acknowledge that incident, and also we have to add the assignment group and assign to into that incident, right? We have to attach the assignment group with that incident. So if I just choose a target as response, then the minute would be also less. That is if for the very critical response I will take it, so I will only choose 5 minutes, right? So you can choose a condition also according to your customer needs and according to the SLA which you want to configure. I think this SLA topic we have covered a lot in our 4 to 5 videos, and I think it's very much clear to you as well. Till then, stay tuned with me, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and we will come with our next video. That is very much interesting video. We will go on starting our ServiceNow development as well. So stay tuned with me. Till then, bye-bye.